Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 21, 2022. 4 star Sudoku. 5th row, 6 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 9. 6th row and 7th row we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th grade. We have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5 and 9. Column E, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column E, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 4th grade, 5 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells. Column B, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 8. Column J, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7, 9. Third grade, 9th row, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7, 9. 1, 3, 7. Column E, column G, 2nd row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, 5 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 5 and 6. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, we have 6. Column J also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, column J, we have 1. 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Remaining numbers we will confirm later. Ninth grade, column G, column C, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 9. 9th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second grade, 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, second row we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, in column D we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Eighth row and 9th row we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3rd row, 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column B, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 4th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Third row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining, one is confirmed here. Second grade, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Fourth row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. First grade, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column J, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this, so 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Ninth row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 8th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column C, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.